You ever open your banking app and think, where the hell did my money go this month? You didn't buy a car, you didn't take a vacation, you didn't make any big purchases, yet somehow your balance still looks like it got jumped in a dark alley. Look, most people think their problem is income. They think, if I just hustle harder, get another side gig, make more money, I'll finally get ahead. That sounds logical. It's also mostly wrong. My name is Joe, and I spend way too much time thinking about personal finance and behavioral money psychology. If you're someone who feels like you're working hard but still living paycheck to paycheck, make sure to hit the subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up if this helps you out. And yeah, I know, you've probably heard 100 money tips before. Most of them are either unrealistic or straight up useless. This isn't one of those. Here's the thing. The biggest problem isn't that people don't make enough, it's that they leak money in tiny amounts so consistently that they never notice the damage.